Assalamu viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Nimki. So let's get started. We need 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons of black cumin seeds, oil, and mix it well. And then with water, mix them well. Make it a hard dough. After the dough is done, cover it for 10 minutes. Then it will be ready to roll. After 10 minutes, roll the dough as roti. After you're done rolling them, put some loose flour and oil, and spread it everywhere. Put some more flour. Now roll it like a rope. And then cut them in pieces. You need to cut them in the size of your Nimki. Then roll the little pieces. Roll it until it's thin and even. Now fold it in half and half again until it's a triangular shaped. For the shapes, you can make it round or square or a triangle, like any shape you like. Now fry them in medium heat to make them crispy. You have to constantly flip them so it's evenly fried all the sides. Fry it until it's a goldenish brown color. Your Nimki is ready to be served. You can serve them with dessert or spicy things. Eat it however you like it. So this was my today's recipe. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.